Have you ever thought about earning money while you're sleeping? How about receiving a monthly income knowing that your investment is increasing in value every single day? Imagine also knowing that this investment is the very same investment class as that of the rich and wealthy. So at TrustBricks, we use technology to help busy and success-driven people just like you to build up a residential property portfolio with little to no effort at all. If you've already considered building a property portfolio, or even actually got one started already, you'll know that it's not easy. The problems that you're likely going to face are things such as being able to find good investment opportunities out there, qualifying those properties to know if they're actually a good fit or know if they're a good investment deal, booking the viewings and actually getting a hold of the agent and getting that dealt with, and physically going out and viewing those properties and costing up the refurbishments and knowing what things are actually going to cost and how much it's going to cost you. Calculating out what you should be offering and actually negotiating with the estate agent to get the best deal for yourself. And then on top of that, it's knowing the steps that you need to be doing to actually buy the property to make sure you don't make any errors and make sure you don't miss anything and therefore cost yourself money. Once that's complete and you actually buy the house, then there's the refurbishment and project management and actually doing that from afar to make sure you're getting the best returns and the best deals possible. Switching the utilities, the gas, the water, the electric, the council tax, getting that done on time to make sure you don't get any fines or CCJs, while at the same time managing the entire investment from a letting standpoint to make sure you get the right tenant in, make sure it's managed correctly, dealing with any of the sort of challenges that come with rent collections, maintenance issues, voids, and all the same time running bookkeeping, accounting, company returns, and basically managing this entire thing as a business, which, as I'm sure you can already pick up, is pretty exhausting and stressful. So at TrustBricks, we actually operate a fully done-for-you service. All you'd need to do is actually on board with a solicitor and broker, and from there we would run everything on your behalf. So we would physically find the properties for you, we would then negotiate them, confirm the refurbishment costs, and get a full broken down quote, and we would package that information up and deliver it to you to make sure you're happy with the purchase. Providing you're happy with the purchase, we would manage the entire purchase process through to completion, and then on completion we'd run the entire project management, run the utility switches, run the tenanting, run the lettings of the entire property. We would run the bookkeeping, the financials, the accounting. We would literally run everything on your behalf, and you wouldn't need to put any input in from this point whatsoever. You'd get monthly or annual reports on each individual property, as well as a monthly, quarterly or annual payment. And the beauty of this is you have 100% ownership of that portfolio. We take no ownership whatsoever. If this sounds like it's of interest to you, all you have to do is reach out to the team by clicking on one of the buttons below, and one of the team will get in touch and we will have a conversation from there to see if it's a good fit. Likewise, if you'd just like to join our mailing list to be able to find out a little bit more about what we do and build a little bit more of a relationship, feel free to download the ebook below, which may be of use to you, or join our mailing list below. Thank you. We look forward to speaking to you soon.